Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our short documentary exploring the intriguing and majestic world of sharks. Join us as we dive deep into the lives and behaviors of these fascinating creatures that rule the oceans. Let's embark on these remarkable journeys together and discover the secrets of the ocean's most captivating inhabitants. Sharks are fascinating creatures with unique features and characteristics. Let's explore some of them. 1. Skeleton. Unlike most bony fishes, sharks have a cartilaginous skeleton. This means their skeletons are made of soft tissue, similar to what makes up our noses and ears. This modification gives them great flexibility, allowing them to glide faster in the water. Their cartilaginous skeletons are much lighter than true bone, and their large livers are full of low-density oils, both helping them stay buoyant. 2. Eyesight. Most sharks have good eyesight. They can see well in dark lighted areas, have fantastic night vision, and can even perceive colors. The back of sharks' eyeballs has a reflective layer of tissue called a tapetum, which helps them see extremely well with little light. 3. Electroreceptor organs. Sharks have small black spots near their nose, eyes, and mouth. These spots are called the ampullae of Lorenzini. These special electroreceptor organs allow sharks to sense electromagnetic fields and temperature shifts in the ocean. 4. Skin. Shark skin feels exactly like sandpaper because it is made up of tiny teeth-like structures called placoid scales or dermal denticles. These scales point towards the tail and help reduce friction from surrounding water when the shark swims. However, unlike most other sharks, nurse shark skin is fairly smooth. 5. Trance-like state. When you flip a shark upside down, they go into a trance-like state called tonic immobility. This phenomenon is why you often see sawfish flipped over when scientists work on them in the water. 6. Ancient creatures. Based on fossil scales found in Australia and the United States, scientists hypothesize that sharks first appeared in the ocean around 455 million years ago. 7. Age determination. Scientists age sharks by counting the rings on their vertebrae. These vertebrae contain concentric pairs of opaque and translucent bands. Band pairs are counted like rings on a tree, and then scientists assign an age to the shark based on the count. However, recent studies have shown that this assumption is not always correct, so researchers must study each species and size class to determine how often the band pairs are deposited. In summary, sharks are ancient, adaptable creatures with remarkable features that have allowed them to thrive in oceans for millions of years. Sharks exhibit a variety of fascinating behaviors. Here are some intriguing ones. 1. Feeding strategies. Ambush predators. Some sharks, like the great white shark, use an ambush strategy. They remain hidden and suddenly attack their prey from below, often breaching the water surface. Filter feeders. Certain species, such as the whale shark, are filter feeders. They swim slowly with their mouths open, filtering plankton and small fish through their gill rakers. 2. Social behavior. While sharks are often considered solitary creatures, some species exhibit social behavior. For example, scalloped hammerhead sharks form schools during the day, which disperse at night. Gray reef sharks are known to form tight-knit social groups around coral reefs. 3. Migratory patterns. Many sharks undertake long migrations across vast ocean distances. They follow specific routes to find food, mate, or give birth. The great white shark migrates thousands of miles between feeding and breeding grounds. 4. Reproduction and courtship. Courtship rituals. Sharks engage in courtship rituals, which can involve circling, biting, or other behaviors. For instance, hammerhead sharks perform elaborate courtship dances. Internal fertilization. Most sharks practice internal fertilization. Males transfer sperm to females using specialized claspers. 5. Vertical movement. Sharks exhibit vertical movement within the water column. They often dive deep during the day and rise toward the surface at night. This behavior is influenced by factors like temperature, prey availability, and safety from predators. 6. Cleaning stations. Some sharks visit cleaning stations where small fish or cleaner organisms remove parasites and dead skin from their bodies. These stations are essential for maintaining the shark's health and hygiene. 7. Sleeping patterns. Sharks don't sleep in the same way humans do. Instead, they enter a state of unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. During this rest, one half of their brain remains active while the other rests. 8. Exploratory behavior. Sharks are curious and explore their environment. They investigate objects, including boats, buoys, and even divers. This behavior helps them learn about their surroundings and find potential prey. Remember that shark behavior can vary significantly among species. Each shark has adapted to its specific ecological niche, making them a diverse and captivating group of animals. Sharks are often misunderstood creatures, and their reputation as dangerous predators has been perpetuated by media and popular culture. Let's explore the reality. 1. Shark attacks. Rare occurrence. Shark attacks on humans are rare. In fact, the chances of encountering a shark while swimming or surfing are extremely low. Context matters. Most shark attacks occur in specific contexts, such as when humans venture into their natural habitats, like surfing near seal colonies, or when sharks mistake humans for their usual prey, such as seals or fish. 2. Types of sharks. Aggressive species. Some shark species are more likely to be involved in attacks. These include the great white shark, bull shark, and tiger shark. Non-aggressive species. Many other shark species are non-aggressive and pose little threat to humans. Examples include nurse sharks, whale sharks, and bamboo sharks. 3. Shark behavior. Curiosity. When sharks encounter unfamiliar objects like surfboards or divers, they may investigate out of curiosity. This doesn't necessarily mean aggression. Feeding behavior. Most shark attacks occur during feeding behavior. If a shark mistakes a human for prey, it may bite and then release, realizing its error. 4. Preventive measures. Be informed. Learn about the local shark species and their behavior if you're in an area where sharks are present. Avoid high-risk times. Avoid swimming during dawn, dusk, or at night when some sharks are more active. Avoid blood and shiny objects. Sharks are attracted to blood and shiny objects, so avoid swimming with open wounds or wearing reflective jewelry. 5. Conservation. Importance. Sharks play a crucial role in marine ecosystems. They help maintain balance by controlling prey populations. Overfishing. Threat. Unfortunately, many shark species are threatened due to overfishing for their fins, for shark fin soup, and other body parts. 6. Harmless sharks. Whale sharks. These gentle giants are filter feeders and pose no threat to humans. Nurse sharks. They are slow-moving and generally harmless unless provoked. In summary, while some sharks can be dangerous, most are not actively seeking to harm humans. Respect their habitats, follow safety guidelines, and appreciate their vital role in ocean ecosystems. If you encounter a shark, remain calm and give it space. It's a rare opportunity to witness these incredible creatures up close. than 1/3. Of the world's shark and ray species are now facing the threat of extinction due to human activities. Overfishing, habitat loss, and climate change are the primary drivers behind this desperate decline. In their populations, here are some key points about the threats facing sharks. 1. Overfishing. Critical issue. Sharks are often caught unintentionally as bycatch in fishing nets meant for other species. Instead of being released, they are often kept and used for food or livestock feed. Low reproduction rate. Sharks have a relatively low reproduction rate compared to other fish species. They give birth to only a few young at a time, and these newborn sharks take years to reach reproductive age. Highly populated coastal areas. Tropical and subtropical sharks and rays face extreme pressure due to overfishing in highly populated coastal areas. 2. Habitat loss, coastal development. Urbanization and coastal development impacted their habitats. Destruction of mangroves, coral reefs, and seagrass beds affects their breeding and feeding grounds. Pollution from runoff, plastics, and chemicals harms their ecosystems. 3. Climate change, ocean warming, rising sea temperatures affect shark behavior, migration patterns, and prey availability. Ocean acidification. Acidification impacts their prey, like shellfish, and disrupts the marine food web. 4. Demand for shark fins. Illegal trade. The demand for shark fins, especially for shark fin soup, drives illegal fishing. Millions of sharks are killed annually for their fins. In summary, urgent action is needed to protect these ancient and ecologically important creatures. Conservation efforts, sustainable fishing practices, and marine protected areas are crucial to safeguarding sharks and rays for future generations.